Hello everyone, for today's video we are here at the famous beach of Ibiza, FIGUERETAS. So over there the small boat just arrived and there's a passenger that is going down from the boat. They're arriving here in FIGUERETAS. So look at that. Oh, Liam! Go! Liam is there with Grandma. Look at that. Look at the view of FIGUERETAS. Wow. Let's go over there. Come. No. Here. Wow. Where you going, Liam? You're going to the boat? Hello. Careful. Where's the boat? Oh, there's a boat. Liam will go to the boat. Okay. Come. Wow, that's a boat. Wow, look at that. Look at the beach. There's so many people at the beach. Liam wants to see a boat. The boat is going. Bye boat. Bye. Bye. Wow, the boat is leaving. Let's go.
Papa.
Oh, Grandma is there. Let's go to Grandma. Tawag si Grandma. Grandma is there. Liam likes the beach. Go to Grandma. Wow, he runs so fast. Where's Grandma? Wow, Grandma is there. Oh, let's go. No, alaguan. Ay. Finger. Fish. Shoes. No. Wait. Hello everyone, so we are here at FIGUERETAS once again, so let's take a walk at the beach. So for today's video, there's so many people here enjoying the beautiful sunny day here at FIGUERETAS. So let's keep walking. Look at the beautiful water here at FIGUERETAS. It's so crystal clear. Look at that. So let's keep going here. Walking at the beach.
That's a great idea.
Let's keep moving over here. There's a restaurant here at the side of the beach. Look at that. So where you feel hungry, you can just eat beside the restaurant here. So look at that. There's so many people here on the beach. Ben? And Liam is there. Say hello.
Mommy!
Come here. Come here.
Mommy!
Come here. Come here. So, I think that's all for today's vlog here at Figueretas Beach. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updated for every new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.